So Rekha says that, but sir, you told us that this is the Maqbara of Mumtaz Mahal, and Shah Jahan had built already. So this has been built by Shah Jahan himself for his wife. So how come Shah Jahan's grave also come here? So the teacher then said that yes, but Shah Jahan and Mumtaz's love was very famous. So after the death of Shah Jahan, his sons dug his grave near Mumtaz's grave. So the teacher says that yes, since Shah Jahan and Mumtaz's love was very famous, so after the death of Shah Jahan, his sons make a grave themselves for their father beside their mother's grave itself. So then Rubika then says, yes, the real ones are just below it. Now let us go to the back side of the Taj. As we all know that Rubika already knows, so she says the real one is below. Teacher, look how splendid the shadow of the Taj looks in the water of the Yamuna. So in Delhi, which river do we find? We find the water river Yamuna. So the teacher says, look, it's how beautiful it is looking that the shadow of Taj is coming in the water of the Yamuna. It's falling in the water of the Yamuna. So we have almost come to the ending of the chapter. Rekha sir, see the moon has risen. How beautiful. Also the moon arose at that time. The moon had risen at that time. So Rekha says how beautiful it is. David can also see, I feel the Taj is looking even more beautiful. So as it happens, we all know that Taj Mahal, first of all, itself is very beautiful. And also when the moonlight falls on it, its beauty increases. So the teacher says that yes, the David says that sir, with the moon rays on it, it looks even more beautiful. The teacher says yes, the beauty of Taj is enhanced in the moonlight. You are lucky, it is full moon tonight. So the teacher says yes, definitely, as it is, as usual, the moonlight has increased the beauty of the Taj Mahal. So, and also you people are lucky that it is a full moon night tonight. So Mala then says, sir, I am not feeling like going home from here. So definitely it's such a beautiful view. They would not feel like, nobody feels like coming back after once they visit Taj Mahal. So same was happening to Mala. Then the teacher says, but we will have to move now. I will give you some eatables in the bus, then we will start for the school. So it was a short trip, so they had to come back. They had to come to the school back. So the teacher said that, but no, nothing to do. We have to go back. I'll be giving you some eatables. Eatables means some food in the bus, and we will start for the school. So what happened in the total chapter? Did we read? We read that the teacher has come up with a proposal of going to Agra, a trip for 2 days, out of which all the children were very excited. The children were very overwhelmed about the fact that they were going to Agra, and then the teacher did some formalities such as taking their names and all. Then also while getting into the bus, it was a Saturday morning that they had started on. While getting into the bus, he had made sure whether everybody had worn their ID cards or not, and he also was taking the students to the bus one by one. So after all these, they were doing a lot of enjoyment on the way, and also while going to Agra on the way, people asked teacher to tell something about Agra. So he said his information that Agra was made by Shah Jahan, who was Shah Jahan and all. He was a very famous emperor and all that. And then we see that they had already reached Agra, and we find one of the students, Rubika, is already much aware of Agra. She has all the information, many of the information about Agra, because she had already come to Agra, visited Agra once with her parents. And then later on we see that they see the tomb. Teacher explains the children about the love between Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal, Shah Jahan's wife, and why are there two graves side by side and all this. And then lastly we see that the shadow of the Taj Mahal is looking very nice. Shadow of the Taj Mahal has fallen on river Yamuna, and it was looking very nice, and it was also looking very beautiful when the moon rays had fallen on it. So, and it was looking so beautiful that the children were not feeling like coming back. So till here we have read today. This is the chapter. Geeta Chadha Yadav is the writer. So next I will be sending you hard words, meanings and all. So before that, learn the chapter well, go through the video well, and also look up to the hard words and meanings and everything. Alright, go thoroughly through the chapter so that each and every line is clear, and definitely if there is any help needed, go through this video. All right, thank you. Next class we will come with the worksheets.